How to book your Athens hotel room by using mobile app? Welcome, let's move on. How to book your Athens hotel room by using mobile app? First you have to install the Athens Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description part here, and the links look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Athens Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Athens Travel Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. After you have installed this Athens Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Athens hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Athens for vacation and holidays with your families and friends. Okay, now go to the Google Play Store, and this is the Google Play Store for Athens Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app installation page. After you have installed this mobile app, tap on this green color open button here, and it will open up the Athens Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, and look at the first row, second icon here showing hotel booking. Just tap on it, and then it will redirect you to the hotel booking page. And it will list out all the Athens hotel booking availability here. Let me enlarge the page for your easy viewing. Okay, at the top part of this page, top left part of this page, search hotels in Athens. You can search the hotels by fill up your check-in date and check-out date and the rooms for how many person, and then you click on or tap on the search button to find out the hotel in Athens. Or you can scroll down further on the right hand side of this page, you can review. Okay, you can look at the popular Athens hotel, go through the list, find out the hotel that you like. Okay, here at the bottom of this list showing all got total for 5,141 hotels in Athens. Okay, you can look at the price, the review score, the star rating. Mostly are good, fabulous, superb. Okay, let me select one hotel room booking for demonstration purpose. Let me select the hotel room. For example, let's say I select, okay, from the list of the hotel, you can see the hotel room picture. Let's say I want to select this Royal Olympic Hotel. Tap on View Deal here. It will redirect you to the Royal Olympic Hotel page. This is the hotel room picture. You can browse through the photo and picture of this hotel. Nice view. Okay, and read through the introduction of this hotel. Very good point, 8.1. Good standing pool, wonderful view, and super dining. Previous guest review got total 8,512 guest review. Okay, scroll down further to read and look at this hotel feature. General activities, services being available in this hotel, and wireless internet is on site, and the availability of the parking at this hotel, and take note on this check-in time and check-out time of this hotel. Then scroll down further for under this guest review section, you can see the star rating, and the point rating summary overall is above 7 marks, 7.9 to 8.6 mark, or 7.8 to 8.6 mark. So in average is 8.1 marks. Who stay here the most? Couples are most popular, like to stay here in this hotel. So top comments from all travelers are they love the pool, love the restaurant, great location, impressive view, great part, love the breakfast. Scroll down further to read the previous guests have said about this stay in this hotel. Okay, and then let's say you want to book this hotel room. Scroll up of this page. You have to come to this section, choose travel dates by fill up your check-in date and check-out date. Let's say I select March and then the day, leave it 1 day overnight stay, 4th of March until 5th of March. Room for how many persons? Let me remain at 2 adults. Then I click or tap on this check availability and prices button, and it will redirect me to the page that lists down all the hotel room booking provider from a different provider. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here got 4 provider. I can tap one with a different price tag, or I can click here compare 6 more websites It will display me the list of more options. Okay, this is the list of 10 different prices from few different hotel room booking provider with the different types of room with a different price. For demonstration purpose, let me select one of the hotel booking provider. Let's say I want to select this internal double room for 69 ringgit. Tap on view deals under this hotels.com provider. Click on go to hotel page, or you can wait for it will redirecting you to the hotels.com hotel room booking provider page after 3 seconds. So now this is the page of hotels.com. Here review the check-in date and check-out date whether it is correct that what I want to reserve the hotel room for this Royal Olympic Hotel Athens, Greece. Yes, it is, and this is a Royal Olympic Hotel. Price for one room for one night. Okay, scroll down further, you can see the map, the picture of the hotel. You can scroll to the picture, look at the amenities and what around. Okay, scroll down further. Okay, scroll down further and you can see it now. This internal double room. Okay, you can tap on this is the price, this is the option, and this is the introduction of this hotel room, type. So now then you can tap on this book button on the right hand side of this page, tap on book. Okay, review again, pay in full online or reserve with deposit. Okay, I can choose either one option. Let's say I want to pay in full online, tap on this button, and then it will redirect me to this page, whereby I have to fill in my first name, my name, my last name. Okay, do I have any special requests? I don't have. If I have any accessibility requests, don't have. Let me apply. And then my detail, my email address, which is very important and mandatory and compulsory, because they will email my hotel room booking confirmation details to my given email address here. Okay, in case of emergency, we'll contact you emergency. I will leave down my mobile phone number. Okay, and then this one leave it blank. I'm not using it saving on my next booking, so don't send me email. Okay, leave it blank. Or I take it also. Okay, it's up to you. Then after that, scroll down further, payment details section. Here I have to input my name and my credit card or debit card. This one only credit card, we don't charge any credit card fees, meaning I have to input my credit card number here and credit card information, expiry date, and security code in order for me to make payment to book this hotel room for this price. Here, you can review the price here again, and my booking, check-in, hotel room, check-in date and check-out date. Okay, I have to input my credit card information here, my billing address, my postcode. Once it has been completed, just tap on or click on this confirm this one night purchase. Okay, because this is for demonstration purpose, I'm not going to input my credit card information. So once you have completed, tap on the button. Okay, of this confirm this one night purchase. Then the next page will show you the complete and successful booking for this hotel room, and they will email the hotel room booking information to the given email address. Okay, once you have done the hotel room booking, tap on done to exit the hotel room booking page, and you can explore more on this Athens tour guide mobile app. Okay, by tapping these top places here. Okay, to explore more what are the tourists like to visit when they come to Athens for traveling or holidays. Okay, thanks for watching. Finally, I'll recap again. Where can you download this Athens Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app? It is you can click a link below this video description part here to install this Athens Travel Tour Guide mobile app, or you can pause this video, use your mobile phone QR code scanner to scan this QR code to install this mobile app for you to book the Athens hotel easily and fast before you travel to Athens for holiday and vacation with your friends and family. Finally, thanks for watching. Remember to like this video, give it thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you again.